What's up? Oh, you want to talk to Shopping Bird? Oh, he just walked in now, actually. Here he is.
Once again, we've encountered the legendary Shopping Bird. Here he is, shopping for home improvement supplies. Watch him stroll the aisles. He may even go to the customer service desk in the back. Perhaps he works here. You may find him among the greatest employees ever. Here he is, the greatest Shopping Bird. Now, working at his favorite hardware store. Watch him go to the break room and get himself a refreshment. Shine on, legendary bird.